Hi students, today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 7, data representation. Let us begin. Count the number of items, show them by coloring the circles with the given color code. Some items are given, then one box is here and given that balloons color red, candies orange, gift boxes blue, pastries green and ice cream pink. Let us begin our problem. First picture is gift box. First we count how many gift box are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first 4 circles we are coloring. Gift box color is blue. So there are 4 gift box. So we select 4 circles and these 4 circles we color blue. Then our next picture is balloon. First we count how many number of balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balloons. Then given the balloons color is red. So first 6 box. So first 6 circles we color red. Then next is ice cream. Then how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we select 8 circles and which color we are selecting? Ice cream is pink color. So first 8 circles we are coloring pink. The next picture is pastries. First we count how many pastries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pastries and given the pastries color is green. So first 5 circles we are coloring green. Then last is the candies. Then first we count how many candies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then first we color 10 circles. Which color we are selecting? We are selecting orange. Candies is orange color. So first 10 circles we are coloring the orange. Then our next heading is find out the data representation and how we can represent how we can represent by pictograph. Then there is a picture of a farm. Then in the farms some animals are given. The animals are cows, goat, hen, horse, duck. So first we are creating table. Our first table heading is types of animal. Then second table is number of animals. It is a half picture of a farm. First animal is cow. Then there are 5 cows, goats, 8 goats, hens, 6 horses, 4 ducks, 5. Then we are collecting this information is known as data. The collected information is known as data. Writing these data in a table, it is called data representation. So collected information is known as data. Writing it using by a table, it is known as data representation. Representing these data in the form of a pictures, it is known as pictograph. That means types of animal is cows. There are 5 cows. So here we draw 5 cows. That means we are representing the number of animals by using the pictures. It is known as a pictograph. So the table, the first is cows. There are 5 cows. So we draw 5 cows. Then goats, 8 goats. So we draw 8 goats picture. Then hens, 6, etc. So these we are representing the forms by a picture. It is known as a pictograph. Then next we are starting exercise 7. Our first problem, study the following pictograph showing how students of class 2 travel to school. Answer the questions that follows. We are given the pictograph. First is transport. First column is transport and second column is number of students. Then bus, car, auto, walk, cycle. First we are writing how many students are there. Then by using bus, how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 students are So 12 students use the bus to go in school. Then next is how many students are going by using car. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 students. Next transport is auto. Then how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students are travel by auto. The next is walk. How many students are going to school by walk? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Then cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students are coming using cycle. Then some questions are given. How many students walk to school? How many students walk to school? 6 students. There are 6 students walk to school. Then which is the most commonly used mode of transport? That means the maximum number of students using which mode of transport? Yes, which is the bigger number here? 12 is the bigger number. That means most of the students are travel by using bus. Then our third question, how many students use the bus? How many students use the bus? There are 12 students used by bus. The last question, what is the total number of students who come to school by car or auto? Then using car, 4 students, and using auto, 8 students. Then 8 plus 4. That means total number of students who come to school by car and auto. Using car, 4 students. Then using auto, 8 students. Therefore, 4 plus 8 equal 12 students. There are 12 students come to school by using car or auto. Then our next question is, the following data shows the different flowers in a floristic shop. Study the pictograph and answer the following questions. First box is types of flowers and second box is number of flowers. It is a pictograph. Lotus. How many lotus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just write the number 5. How many marigold are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write the number 8 here. Then hibiscus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just write the number 8. Then next, how many roses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 roses. Then sunflower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then our first question, how many roses are there? Then how many roses are there? There are 7 roses. So we write the answer 7. The next question, which flower is present in the lowest number? Which is the lowest number flower? Then lotus 5, marigold 8, hibiscus also 8, rose 7, sunflower 6. Which is the lowest number of flower? Yes, 5 is the lowest number. That flower name is lotus. So which flower is represented in the lowest number? Lotus. Then our third question, which 2 flowers are equal in number? So marigold is 8 and hibiscus is also 8. Therefore, the equal numbers of flowers are marigold and hibiscus. Then we write marigold and hibiscus. Then our last question, what is the difference between the number of sunflowers and lotus flowers? Difference means subtracting. So the number of sunflower is 6 and the number of lotus is 5. So we minus 6 minus 5 equal 1. That means there are 6 sunflowers and 5 lotus. Their difference means 6 minus 5 equal 1. Then our third question, the following data shows the favorite ice cream flavors of a group of students. Make a pictograph for the data. Here given the data. First column is ice cream flavor and second column is number of students. The ice cream flavors are strawberry. There are 4 students like strawberry, then chocolate 8 students, pistachio 3 students, vanilla 2 students and mango 5 students. Here we want to find out its pictograph. That means we are drawing the picture of a student. Then first ice cream flavor is strawberry. In strawberry, how many students like strawberry? There are 4 students. So we draw 4 students. 1, 2, 3, then 4. The next ice cream flavor is chocolate. There are 8 students like chocolate. So we draw 8 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next flavor is pista. Pista like 3 students. Then we draw 3 students. 1, 2, 3. The next flavor is vanilla. Vanilla like 2 children. So we draw 2 children. Then our last flavor is mango. Mango like 5 children. So we draw 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The given question, there is a data given. We want to find out its pictograph. That means we are drawing the picture of a student. The first column is strawberry. Strawberry like 4 children. So we draw 4 children picture. Then chocolate, next 8 students. Then we draw 8 students pictures. Then etc. Then fourth question, the following data gives the favorite colors of 20 students. Draw a pictograph. Favorite color. There are 2 columns. First column is favorite color and second column is number of students. The favorite color, first color is green. Green like 2 children. Then pink 6, red 4, blue 3 and yellow 5. It is a data. Then we want to find out its pictograph. That means we are drawing the picture of his students. Then first color is green. Then how many students like green color? Yes, there is 2 students like green color. So we draw 2 students. 1, 2. The next color is pink. Pink like 6 children. So we draw 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next color is red. Red like 4 children. So we draw 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next color is blue. Blue like 3 children. So we draw how many children? 3 children. 1, 2, 3. Our last color is yellow. Yellow like 5 children. So we draw 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope all of you understood how to find out the data representation and also its pictograph. Then children, thank you.